Hope you are doing great. So in this video, I am going to discuss and share with you one of the best tool for the ad research, product research, and there are many things in that tool there are available. So right now I am in the Facebook ads library, and just example, if you want to check any of the ad and going to the United States ads force from the all ads, I want to check right here ads, and Facebook ads will provide some of the ads, and they are also showing its activeness, ad library ID, then starting time, total active time, and then platforms. And if I click on the see details, so it will also show us basically about the advertiser, and then these are the details. Similarly, if I go to the next thing, so here you can see there are the multiple options. So let's suppose I am more interested in the campaigns that are basically related to the, so let's suppose this one, and if I click on the detail, so any five filter you applied for the search, and here we can see the details of these ads. Basically started running on 1st May 2025, and they are running these ads for Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and Messenger, and this is the ad rating. So how many engagements they have got, how many likes they have got, so this Facebook ad library is not telling us about anything. So I am going to introduce PiPiAds with you. So this is the best tool for the getting the ad ideas, checking the ad creatives, Facebook ad copies, even the TikTok copies, and there are many more options are available. So here you can first of all check, basically this is its interface, and you can search the TikTok or Facebook ad search. Even we can search or find similar by the image. We can upload the image and it will start finding the relevant products. We can research based on any keyword, any text, advertiser, or landing link, and again there is an option to search by image as well. Similarly, we can add some of the exclusions. So in the filter you can say we can only check the TikTok ads or the Facebook ones. So the next thing is basically if we want to check the drop shipping ads, Facebook ads, e-commerce, Spark ads, game apps, any of these. From the basic filters we can see even like this is more like e-commerce platform, but there are many other options available. So big commerce, Magento, Shopify, Shop Plaza, Shopline, these are all the filters available. Here we can select the country, so just example for United States, and we can apply. Then based on the language we can check the different things. We can search based on the call to action buttons. We can check based on the audiences and their age limits or genders. We can even check basically the landing page links and format and duration as well. So similarly we can check based on impression, like, comment, share, engagement, or anything. So we can put minimum, maximum, or low impression, medium impression, and high impressions as well. Similarly, from the period we can add the runtime, creation date, then the first scene, last scene, excluded, view ads, or any other options are available. So I will again type the same keyword here, and it will start showing us some of the ads. The first glance you can see that it's not only showing us the ad images or videos or whatever options are available, but also with the date. So they are showing 16 likes, 4 comments, 2 shares, and 122 days. Similarly, 106 likes, 165 comments, 14 shares, and total 104 days the ad was active. So there are a lot of things here you can see related to ad. So just example for this one, I want to check what are the further details for this one. So we can simply click on that, and here we can again check the proper or complete image, the text on that, then basically add format the landing page link as well as the headline. So here basically if we want to check based on the advertiser what are the campaigns they are running, so we can also check from here as well. So this is the ad text. We can even copy that if we are basically doing some competitor search. 60 likes, 28 comments, 12 shares, 112 days this was active. So December 30 24 was the starting date, and still it is active because it's showing the today's date. So status active, creation date, then audience region you can even see that Facebook post link. Here we can check that, and the final URL or final link as that. So after that one, so just example, if I click on the more details of that one, so even the more details I can see based on that. So even the reactions you can check how many reactions it got. Then likes and comments. So basically likes are the red one and blue ones are the comments on this post. This is the ad copy. If they are doing the multiple ad copies of this, you can even check that from here. Creative details, you can check their creative details, ad copy and likes. More information, you can see if they have selected any specific category, what is the call to action button, platform, image, e-com platform, language, size, page ID, Facebook page name, and then ad schedule as well. So here is the ad schedule. That is the most powerful again here, and you can also like do the planning for your ads as well. So these are basically related to the ads. You can search by any person. So just example, if you want to check with your competitor's name, you can check that from here as well. So basically from the ads point of view, this is the best ad creative, ad research and competitor research platform that I have ever seen. So the next part, so this is not only include the ads part, what are the next things that we can get from here? So you can see the products. If we just example click on the products, so we can research based on the ad product. So if you are just example doing the like the product hunting, so you can see from here what are the best possible options that you can sell locally or even the internationally. So for each of these platforms, so you can see basically like this product 7.8k likes, 440 comments, 866 shares and 10 days only. So from here you can get the different ideas about your next product that you want to launch or you want to basically outsource or dropship. Then if we click on the top products, so it will show us basically what are the top products. So like this one, so 174.8k likes, 16 ads and 90% growth rate on this one. Similarly the next product, then next product. So from here you can even see what are the top products that are selling worldwide. Even you can check basically based on your region as well, and you can simply apply the country filter from here and you can see which is the best platform in that specific country that you can work on. So the next thing is the new products. You can also check what are the new products available. So like this is the 1 month data and you can see all those new products. So like this one, then this one, and again there are a lot of options that are available here. Okay, so next TikTok made me buy it. If we want to check this one, so again here you can see the different options available, and again you can check any platform. So just example, I want to check from the Shopify store and from the United States. So just by applying these filters, you can check the data. What is the top trending things that you can work around on these things. So again, you can check these one by one and work on that. Next, find similar by image. You can even upload any image. So just as an example, I am uploading any random image here. So just like this dress. Let's see what basically its AI system will show us the results. So again, related to that, it starts showing different type of the dresses that are available that I just uploaded to it. So again, this is the best platform you can see. So based on the advertisers, you can just name it and it will provide you what are the options. So here you can see shop.tiktok.com, Facebook, TikTok. Again, there are the multiple options. You can check from here what are the best options available there. So top store, even we can check what are the top stores that they are selling the products. Then again find by image. Then is that TikTok shop. So TikTok shop products from here you can see, and again from here you can select any of the country and you can check even the sales trend. You can check number of ads, you can check. So there are a lot of options that you can work and see what are basically the best options available for you. So these are basically based on the stores. Then based on the app, there are different like the options available related to the apps you can search. So the best thing that I have got in this one that is like working very well for me, and that is basically this AI tools. So if I come to AI home, so here you can see we have the option of video transcript generator, image translation, image text removal, video text translator, video speech translator, and video text removal as well. So mostly what you can do, normally people are getting the videos or the pictures from their supplier side or client side and they have the simple text or logo on that. So simply you can come to at these points. So just example, video text removal, just upload your video and it will remove the text. I have tried this for the different products. So like this one has the text on that, but when I applied these tools, so it's start showing without any text. So this is the next best thing that you can try from here and see what are the basically best options for there. So the good news is that if you want to get this PiPiAds subscription right now, so there is a in the comment section or the description section as well. So you can simply go there, sign up with that link, and you will get the 30% off on your next purchase as well. So hopefully you like this video. For the next videos and the next ad ideas, next tools reviews, we will meet in the next video. Thank you.